In a bid to get high security registration plates and color coded stickers faster, the booking process has been simplified to help vehicle owners in Delhi. The number of fields to be filled in the application form have been reduced to half on the government website. Moreover, the website has been integrated with the Vahan database, so once a customer enters the vehicle number, the application fetches verified data for the vehicle's class, fuel type, VIN number, and engine number. This has cut down the steps from 12 to only 6 and thus has reduced the time taken while applying for HSRP and color-coded stickers. The government has received 3.8 lakh orders for HSRP and 1.9 lakh orders for color-coded stickers. A total of 52,709 home delivery orders have also been received, of which 47,380 orders have been fitted so far. Škoda Auto India will not bring the next generation Rapid to the market, and instead, the company will launch an all-new and bigger sedan based on the locally developed MQB A0iN platform. Zach Hollis, Director Sales, Marketing and Service, Škoda Auto India, recently confirmed the development while replying to a user query on social media. The new offering is scheduled to debut towards the end of 2021 and will be a larger and more spacious sedan than the Rapid. Škoda recently trademarked the name Slavia in India, which could be the name of the upcoming sedan. The new offering will be powered by TSI engines only, and there is a possibility that it could be sold alongside the Rapid in the country. Indian car designer and founder of DC Design, Dilip Chhabria, was arrested earlier this week in Mumbai in a cheating and forgery case. The Mumbai Crime Branch's preliminary investigation has revealed that DC Design posed as customers to purchase their own car and avail loans from non-banking financial companies for the DC Avanti. About 90 cars were sold for fraudulent financing for a loan of about 42 lakh rupees on each car. These cars were then registered in another state before selling them to a third party. According to the Mumbai police, the scam is to the tune of 40 crore rupees that could increase up to 100 crore rupees as the investigation progresses. Chhabria has been sent to police custody till the 2nd of January 2021.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.